Cleaning in service accommodation, it's a vital part of the business, and you've got to have the right cleaners. I know some people do it themselves, but that's not very scalable. Some people, they've got a couple of units, 2 or 3 units, and they do the cleaning themselves, then okay, fair enough. But if you're going to scale service accommodation, you need cleaners, and you must always, when you are talking to your cleaners, say, will you clean on Sundays? And they need to do the clean on the same day as checkout, because obviously if they don't, you're not going to be able to do a checkout, check-in same day. Really important, that one, because if, let's say, for instance, they say to you, oh, we're not cleaning on Sunday, and you think, oh, bless them, then I can understand that. They don't want to clean on a Sunday. Well, then you have somebody who checks out on a Sunday. You can't be available again until, say, Monday, and what you don't know is that you missed out on a long, big, chunky booking because you weren't available for check-in on Sunday. Because when somebody went online and searched, your property just didn't show as available, right? Now, the other reason why you must do cleaning on checkout is because guests are going to leave stuff, aren't they? They leave stuff on. So they'll leave lights on. They'll leave the heating on. You should always have things like minute sensors in your property. I'll probably talk about that on another video, but minute sensors in the property just to monitor the heating, and you can have other stuff that monitors heating. But anyway, they'll leave heating on, and they will leave lights on, and they'll leave televisions on, and they will leave windows open. Now, the other day, one of our service accommodation properties, the cleaners messaged, not long after the guests had checked out, it was pouring down, saying, oh, the guests left the window open. It is like a Velux window, and therefore the rain just pouring straight into the room, and it absolutely drenched the chair that was below the room. And if that had been a long downpour, that could have caused, let's face it, up to thousands of pounds worth of damage in the property, couldn't it? It could have gone through the ceiling and everything like that, damp, etc. So cleaners, same day clean, even on a Sunday, very, very important, because ultimately all it was, shut the window, dry the chair out, not too much of a drama, and obviously it saves you an awful lot of expense and hassle, and you make more money in serviced accommodations. Hopefully that was useful. Let me know if you're liking little tips and tricks like this, and are you getting your properties cleaned even on a Sunday? Are they doing same day checkout cleans? So really, really important. Let me know what you think. Here's to your success in service accommodation. From me, the property soldier. Remember, your future needs you. Take care.